Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study general knowledge effectively. First, understand your exam's specific syllabus and the importance of each topic. Next, develop a consistent study schedule, setting achievable daily and weekly targets. Remember, a well-organized approach is key to covering a broad range of subjects efficiently and retaining information over time. Let's dive into specific techniques. To truly master general knowledge, engage in active learning. Regularly test yourself using flashcards or quizzes to practice active recall, which strengthens memory. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing topics at increasing intervals, preventing forgetting. Also, try to link new facts with what you already know. This creates a stronger mental framework for retention. These methods make your study time more productive. Leveraging the right resources is crucial for GK. Make a habit of reading daily newspapers and reputable magazines to keep abreast of current affairs. Supplement this with news channels and documentaries to gain different viewpoints and deeper insights. Always maintain a dedicated notebook to jot down important facts, dates, and events. This serves as a personalized revision tool. Consistency is vital here. Finally, consistent revision and practice are non-negotiable. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to familiarize yourself with the exam format and common topics. Participate in mock tests to enhance your speed and accuracy under timed conditions, identifying areas for improvement. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy studying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.